Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you're well. Today we are just going to add some glitter. Simple as that. It's going to be quite a short video using some Kryolan products. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I've become a little bit Kryolan obsessed lately. It's a brand that I've always known about and I've always used bits of their stuff, but lately I've been called into do some workshops with them, and I've just been discovering a lot more of their products. So have a look at my Instagram to see more from them. Now we're just going to add a bit of glitter. So I've already got my eyes done. The tutorial for this look, using the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette, which I love, will be up in a couple of weeks, but I just wanted to do the adding glitter first because you can do this with any look using any palette, and it's just something you can quickly do if you've got some Christmas party or something to go to after work. If you just want to add a touch of glitter because you're just popping out, or just because you're going to Westfield or something, you can just add glitter. During the month of December you can add glitter anytime, and you can do it really quickly. It doesn't have to be like a whole shebang. So I'm going to show you a longer way to do it, but there is quicker ways to do it. So obviously you need glitter, so I've got a couple of glitters here. First thing I'm going to do actually is just going to go in with this Kryolan Golden Hours palette, which is gorgeous. I'm just going to take this middle shade and I'm literally just going to, with my finger, pop it into the centre of my lid. And I'm going to be honest, I don't know why I'm doing this. It's just because I fancied using this palette, because it's just so pretty. I am just going to add some black to my waterline, because at the moment it's brown, so I just want to add some black because we're getting ready for the evening. Then I'm going to take this Kryolan Hydro Matix, basically glitter glue. It's just like a nail varnish, like that. I'm going to take a little bit on the back of my hand and just go straight on to my lids, wherever I want the glitter to go. So I'm going to be concentrating in the centre. I don't want to go too much on the outer corners. And the reason I put it on the back of my hand is because you need to just wait till it gets a little bit tacky, almost like with eyelash glue. Gone tacky on my hands. I don't want to keep on doing that on my lids, because you can actually put this on top of makeup, which I've already got on. So if I keep on doing that, I'm going to start taking off my eyeshadow. But it's gone tacky on my hand, so it would have gone now tacky on my lids. So I'm going to be using this Kryolan glitter in the shade Bronze, and it is so pretty. I'm just going to tip a bit out into the lid. Got too much there, I can tell. I just get too excited with glitter. It's going to wet my flat brush, and that's just so the glitter can then stick to the brush. And then just going on my lid, tap, 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 tap. See that? So it's literally putting that on my lid, wherever I put the glitter glue. We can tidy up the edges, don't worry. Just get the glitter on there. Basically, once you've got the glitter and the glitter glue, you're basically good to go. It doesn't take long at all. You just need to tap it on. You want to use different sized glitters, you can. Because the more dimension you give, the more shimmer you're going to give to your eyes. I'm going to go back in with this Golden Hour palette and just take this graphite black and a small crease brush. Just going to smoke out the outer corner of it. I'm just going to use copper glitter in the middle as well. Give it a little bit more dimension. There you go, can you see? Fine. And on this one I'm just going to put into the middle. When you mix the glitters you get a really nice effect and a bit more dimension. And any fallout you can just wipe away with a clean brush. Take some Hydro Matix on the back of my hand this time. This next step you could just do on its own, or you can do as well as. But I'm going to dip an angled brush into the Hydro Matix and then just apply it along my lower lash line. I know where I'm going with this. So this would look good with glitter on the lid, so you're full on glitter, which is about what we're going to do. Or you could just do this as a subtle hint of glitter. Then I'm going to dip the angled brush into the bronze glitter and go along the lower lash line. The glitter sticks to it, so basically wherever you put the glitter glue, the glitter is just going to stick. You just need to make sure you have a good glitter glue, and the Kryolan one is good. Then I'm going to take the copper one and just add it to the inner corner there. Got your morning palette or whatever with you, just to kind of go over in the crease, everything's blended, you can. Otherwise, to be fair, you're kind of just quite ready to just go and party. But as I've got it here with me, hopefully you can see that, but we've just added glitter. There you go, that was just a quick tutorial and just adding glitter. It's just really easy if you're using the right glitters and the right product, the right kind of glitter glues and stuff. It's just so easy to just apply it, and when it gets a bit tacky, just apply your glitter. Simple as that. Glitter doesn't have to be a complicated look. So I hope you liked this quick tutorial. I hope you have an amazing party season and wear lots and lots of glitter. I will see you guys very soon. Bye guys.